Hi there. Absolute power intoxicate absolutely. Reason why those in power and control find it very difficult to let go. On our today's edition of Word and Expression, we will look at the expression run teens. Run teens in Nigerian Pidgin English means to call the shots, to be in control, in charge, or to make things happen. Check out some examples of how it is used in Nigerian Pidgin English. Now we dey run things here. From now on, na Charlie go dey run things. Omo, now women dey run things for Finland. Why she no gree to run things? Who dey run things for dis hood? Should you need any further explanation of these expressions, hit me up in the comment section. See you in the next edition of Word and Expression on BDNP. I'm Bafo. Ciao, ciao.